So I want to show you an example of a great logo design done by Pentagram, owned by Michael Beirut, awesome designer. Their team created a logo for MIT Media Lab, which is in Massachusetts. And you can see their old logo here, and this was the new logo here on the right, just on this site called Brand New. And I love it because it shows the process. You know, a good logo should be adaptable. It should be able to expand into the whole brand. So when you start off with a good logo and you design it well, then it can be used in a variety of uses and it can extend to all capacities. So that's why you want to make sure your logo design is always well done. So you can see here, they just use a simple grid. They used the grid from the old logo, as you can see here, and they applied it to that new logo. And what they did, they just kept it simple, you know, using just a simple stroke and type. And then what that did was allowed them to use that grid and use it for multiple uses. So you can see here was the main logo, just like that. You know, clean, simple, you know, balanced, symmetrical, and has the appropriate white space, and awesome. So you can see some different ways of using the logo here. And because it was MIT is such a big brand and they have many departments, you can see now how the logo, by using that grid, extends into multiple other logos just like that. And you can see here they use it for everything, and it's really awesome. They can use a wide range of acronyms for each of the research groups, as it says there. It's powerful. You can watch a little video there. They even used that same grid and built a typography, a typeface out of it, which is awesome. They built their own typeface, which is super cool. Just from that one logo. See, that one logo expanded into all these other characters and other things. You can see there, they've built even an icon set from that. And then you can see some of the branding, the print design there. Boom, boom, boom. You know, it's just simple logo, a simple idea and concept that actually flows and works well. You can see there the uses, it's being used in the actual place. Patterns on the walls. Some posters. Even a cube. And there you have it, you know. Just from one simple logo that's adaptable and flexible, and they, you know, did the research and they worked it all out, it can be very great. So, you know, logo design is important and it's going to have a big impact on your portfolio and help you grow as a graphic designer.